Two unstoppable forces of nature, fire and water, collide in an epic showdown of destruction and chaos. Born from a raging inferno, this fire tornado is a spiraling beast, reaching temperatures hotter than molten lava. Everything it touches turns to ash. But from the depths of the sea, a force just as mighty emerges, a colossal water tornado twisting with the power of 100 hurricanes. What happens when these two titans meet? A battle of elements that defies all logic.
Go. This is unlike anything we've ever seen before. The heat from the fire tornado is causing explosive steam eruptions, while the water tornado is rapidly cooling the flames, creating an unpredictable storm system.
Is this the end of the world?
Will the fire reign supreme, reducing everything to cinders? Or will the water smother the flames, flooding the city in its wake? Nature's wrath is unpredictable, and when fire and water collide, nothing will ever be the same. What do you think would happen in a real fire-water tornado clash? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more mind-blowing content.